If you want to remove background or change that, you can use background diffusion. It's very simple. Automatically remove the background and generate an ideal background based on template or text you created here. For example, you can use the preset of the image, or you can use your own image from here. Let's bring PromeAI project. Let's see, I want to remove the background of this sofa. It's uploading on the server of PromeAI. Sometimes it's not bringing there, but it's very easy. Now you can see it automatically remove that. Interesting. Remove. If you upload, it automatically remove the background. Nice. And you can add any background with the prompt that you type, or you can use style. For example, indoor furniture. I want to use, for example, this style. Not exactly that background, but something similar to that. Changing the ratio, and you can use reference image. For example, I want to, if you cannot describe exactly what you need, you can tell the software, okay, I want to, the background was similar, something like this reference image. Or you can use the precise mode to maintain the main prompt that you type there if you want. I don't want to use autofill because you can see if it's on autofeed, it's automatically fit the object and the scene. But I want to create the image. You can see if you go mousing over here, you can see the background is automatically removed. And nice. I want to generate the image around that. Yeah, of course, fast mode, and let's generate without any prompt, just similar the style that I want. And let's see what happened. Nice. You can see based on this style, it's created background. Nice. Or you can increase the number of the precise that I want to exactly something. For example, I tell the PromeAI I want my sofa to be in a garden with a beautiful tree and flowers. Make sure that you delete style and precise. I want to exactly doing that, and let's generate again. So at the beginning, if you import your model, it's automatically remove the background for you. And let's see what happened. As I said before, the fast mode helps you to rendering fast, but you have to subscribe standard or pro version. Make sure that the number of images 3. Nope. You can see it's blur background. Let's enhance that. No, a woman with it. And so far, let's try let's try indoor portrait, outdoor things. I think I can put something like garden, jungle. Let's try that and generate again. Oh, I think it has got a problem. I have to insert my image again. Sofa. No, as you can see, it's drawing. I don't know why this happen. This is my style. This is a style. Oh, I accidentally drag and drop it as his image. Nice. Okay, this in this style, and let's generate again. And let's try my prompt with the style. You have to help the prompt with the style. Let's see what happened. Nope, doesn't work. Let's try this. Let's try this. On the surface of the moon, no style. Generate 2 on the surface of the moon. It's a prompt without any style. I think because of the precise is 100%, it cannot imagine another thing. Let's decrease the number of the precise. It means the exact thing that you want. And test it again. Precise. This. No, you can see because it's our sofa is not good. I make the precise a little and test it again. You have to make sure that the background, the object that you selected, has a perspective view, because it's in a front view. The software does not recognize well. For example, I choose this shoe. Yeah, this is all about the precise. If you make it 100%, the software, you can see, the software try to exactly maintain the prompt, and it does not imagine anything, because you can see it's created little bit jungle but in this case you can see it's exactly going at the surface of the moon. Nice, and I like that, and I want to publish it to my page. Yeah, thank you. It's published in my page and like that. So anywhere in a PromeAI, if you have a precise, if you want to AI doing well, you can decrease the number of precise. Okay, nice. Let's try another thing. This shoe, it's working to, at the first it deletes the background, the first. Okay, on the surface of the moon, and red clouds. Let's see what happened. And generate 2, or you can do other things if you want. Actually, precise try to maintain the main object. Nice. Now we can see the precise, the lower number of precise, the AI can you can open the hand of the AI to work better. Nice. Surface of the moon with red clouds. That's nice. And let's publish it again to my page. And thank you. For going your page, you can see, you can view your profile, and this is my profile, and created image and publish, and other people can see that. Okay, I hope you enjoy that. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up you can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI tools, AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.